On Wednesday, June 16, 2014, the New York Times carried the following news item by staff reporter Ellen Barry on the first page of the international section. New leaders stir hopes for Sanskrit in India. The team of administrators, under the leadership of the new Prime Minister Narendra Modi, is making plans to promote the study of the Sanskrit language. In late May, the article said, there had been rumors that he, the Prime Minister, would go a step further and take his oath of office in Sanskrit. Amidst a hectic election campaign, Mr. Narendra Modi's team spent time deliberating on how to draw attention to the Sanskrit language as a means to reclaim a particular aspect of the history of India and its cultural legacy. Even though the new Prime Minister changed his mind at the last minute and took his oath in Hindi, the very idea of doing it in Sanskrit was a bold one. Today, we are gathered here to do something similar. We want to deliberate on the unique religious and cultural heritage of the Syro Malabar Catholics in India. One of the determining factors in our Christian heritage is our claim to have received the faith from the very source through the medium of the Aramaic language in which Jesus and his disciples preached the gospel. Put differently, we, the Christians in India, claim to have received the good news well before the original teachings of Jesus were translated into the medium of the Greek language and were bequeathed to us by the four gospel writers. We can also be uniquely proud of the fact that the Christian faith came to us in India, where the Aramaic language was already in use for several centuries. Therefore, it is our duty as Christians to reset the discourse on India from a Christian perspective.